Hello friends, how are you today? This is another tutorial from Money Hunters team, and in today's video we're going to talk about a new depin project. It's called Synthelix.io. It's AI powered depin project. We will teach you how to join this project, how to connect your wallet, how to activate the mining process, and how to earn more points. So if you are really interested, please keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, you can join our channel in Telegram where we publish the latest news about this kind of projects and more. Link will be down below in the description box. With that being said, let's get started. Hello and welcome back. For this project we need to use Mises browser, and if you want to join Synthelix.ai project, I will leave the link down below in the description box. So copy that link and paste it here into the search bar. Then you will land on this page. So click on Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask. If you didn't watch my previous video about how to create MetaMask wallet step by step, I recommend you to check that video again in my YouTube channel. Now click on MetaMask and here type in the password of your MetaMask wallet and click on Unlock. They will show you this message, so click on Connect. Then they will show you another message, so scroll down a little bit and click on Confirm. Then you will land on the dashboard, and the next step is to activate the mining process, and to do that click on the Start Node button. They will show you this message. Scroll down and click on Confirm. Now we have successfully activated the mining process. And as you can see, the countdown starts. You have about 24 hours before the mining stops. I recommend you to log in into your account before the 24 hours passed. And here they will show you how many points have you mined. Now let's imagine that you log in into your account after 12 hours, for example. And if you want to collect these points, click on Stop and Claim. They will show you this message again. So click on Confirm. And as you can see, I have collected the 10 points that I have just mined. They are under the section Total Points. And now let's activate the mining process again. Click on Confirm. Again, let me remind you that you should log in into your account before the countdown ends. Now let me show you how to earn more points. Scroll down a little bit. And at the bottom there is a green button which is Click to Start. Click on it and you will land on this page, and as you can see there are many tasks that you can complete. Each one will give you 5,000 points. Let me show you how to complete these tasks. They will ask you to follow specific accounts on X platform. So just follow these accounts. As you can see, I have completed all these tasks. Now if we want to go back to the dashboard, there are two lines on the top right corner. Click on these two lines and then click on dashboard. And as you can see, I have earned 15,000 points. And let me remind you again that you should log in into your account before the countdown ends to stop the node and claim the points that you have mined, and then you should repeat the same process and start the node again as I showed you before during the video. By the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. Please like this video and share it with your friends and invite them to join our channel. Also, if you have any question, leave a comment down below. Again, don't forget to check out the description box down below, where you'll find all the links that you need. See you later, guys. Good luck.